Asus ZenBook Pro UX550VE-XH71 15.6 inches Full HD Notebook Computer Asus ZenBook Pro UX550V. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. Having used the machine for a few weeks now, I can confirm that my initial thoughts stand. It's an excellent machine. Having said that, it's only after a friend of mine checked out the machine that I discovered that there was a small dent in the top right corner very close to the hinge. I haven't noticed this at all since I was more blown away by the design and performance. I must admit that I am a little disappointed, but this isn't a reflection on the machine. I've only left it on my desk and used it very carefully. So I would imagine it came from the factory like that. I also note that my return period has passed, so not sure what I can do about it now. Excellent machine with a mistake on the quality control. My strong advice is to thoroughly check any items or devices you buy upon receiving it. Great alternative to the Dell XPS 15. I have no complaints about this machine. It looks incredibly nice and performs equally good. It's perfect for my video editing requirements. I won't talk about the specs because everyone can look that up. I mainly wanted to point out that there is really no big difference between this laptop, UX550VE-XH71, and the UX550VE-DB71T. I was worried that the UX550VE-XH71 would come with a SATA interface instead of a PCI interface, but to my surprise, it was a PCI Smile. Cons. Fingerprint magnet for sure, but with time you get used to it. Large adapter, but with up to 8 hours of battery life, you can occasionally leave it behind. Fan noise can become audible at times. I love the touch of the keyboard, it is so responsive and easy to use. I can't believe how little it weighs. It does everything. This is my second Asus and I love my first one and still use it, but this laptop is even better. I haven't had a minute's problem with it. The only thing is it doesn't have a DVD drive and I have a little trouble adding programs to it. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.